Hello YouTube family, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to cover what is automation testing. First, we are going to look at why we need automation testing. You need to understand the reasons why we need automation testing and what are the background factors. After that, we are going to look at what is automation testing, what are different areas involved in the automation testing. So going forward, join our YouTube family, click the subscribe button to never miss our videos and watch them first. So first we are going to start with why we need automation testing. We are going to look at different reasons and why it is really necessary. Software tests need to be repeated to ensure quality. So we have our software test cases, they need to be repeated. That can be for every latest build or for every release. So we need to repeat the software test cases to make sure that we are not finding any bugs and there is quality as well. For every latest build, we need to run tests specific to code changes. If there are code changes specific to that, we need to run the test cases. And even there are more scenarios, like for every latest build, sometimes it differs company to company. Sometimes they want to run all the test cases, so that's why we have like continuous integration. Over the night we can take the latest build and we can run all the test cases. Then for release build, let's say you are going to develop 5 new features, then you have been working on that, then after a couple of months you are releasing, then you have like release candidate, the release build. So on the release build, you want to do thorough test. You want to test everything. So on all supported platforms, on all supported browsers, devices, operating systems, you have to run all the test cases. So overall, software tests need to be repeated to ensure that there are no bugs and there is software quality. Manually repeating these tests is costly and time consuming. That's why we need automation. Once we have the automation, these can be run multiple times at no additional cost or at no additional investment, and even they are going to be faster compared to manual testing. They are going to be faster. Once you have the automation, then you can run that again and again, every day or every week. You can run that again and again. Going forward, what is automation testing? So in automation testing, we are going to make manual testing process automatic using a software or tool. So using a software or tool or framework, like we have Selenium WebDriver, even there are other tools, HP, UFT or Catalan Studio. There are different automation tools available. So using a tool, whatever manual testing process, we are going to make it automatic. So we are going to write the test cases, we are going to develop a automation framework, and we are going to automate it. So we are going to reduce the manual work as much as possible. An effective automation testing involves all the following areas. These are the main areas. The first thing is developing automation scripts. So you have to have the test cases, and then for those test cases you need to write the automation scripts. Then performing test pre-setup and test post setup. So whatever the setup required for a test case before execution or after execution. Then controlling the test execution. So definitely you have to do that. You want to repeat a test few times for different test data sets, or based on a specific state, like user is present or user is deleted, you want to do something, so it is controlling the test execution. Then executing the automation scripts, that is the main thing. So you have to execute all the scripts, then you can get the results like pass or fail. Then comparing the actual results and expected results. So this is mainly important to determine pass or fail criteria. Then at the end, reporting the execution results. So let's say you have like a test suite of 300 test cases. Once all the execution is done, definitely you have to report the execution results. You have to automate that as well. Don't do reporting manually. That is going to be very time consuming task. Then to achieve all this, we need hybrid automation framework, because all these components, they interact together very tightly, they are related together very tightly. So to do all those in a better way, we need hybrid automation framework, and then we need to maintain that code as well. Whatever the framework, we need to maintain that code. It is going to be there for years and years. It is a long-term job. So for any UI changes or for any test case changes, whatever, we need to maintain the automation framework. So all these areas are really important. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that now you have got very good understanding of what is automation testing. Different areas I have mentioned, like developing the automation scripts, executing the automation scripts, then reporting the execution results, hybrid automation framework, and maintaining the automation code. They are really important and core of automation testing. Then going forward, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video and comment on the video. Then I have a really important video for you. So now you know what is automation testing, and it is really important. So how to learn automation testing for beginners. This video is really targeted towards beginner and absolute freshers. So watch this video, that is the link. I'm also going to mention the link in the video description as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.